Hello, listener. Now I am back with the 10th SSC videos. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 4, pair of linear equation in two variables in Telangana state boards, and this topic linear equations in two variables this topic is also present for CBSE syllabus. Okay, it is chapter 3rd in CBSE syllabus of class 10 and chapter 4th for Telangana state boards syllabus. The topic is same, chapter is same. The difference is that for CBSE they have elaborated the topic, and for Telangana state board they have minimized the level of topic. The concept is same. Today we are going to discuss about pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair. What do you understand by pair? Pair. Whatever the pair, it must be in two quantity. Okay? Two quantity means two in number it must be there. That is called as pair. Before going to that pair, we discuss about linear equation in two variables. We discuss about what is linear equations in two variables. Linear equation, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation has some general form. Okay, we have to follow that form. What is the form of linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is the general form, or you can say it is the general form of linear equation in two variables. I am writing abbreviated form of linear equations for your understanding. Okay, for writing the complete linear equation in two variables, this board is not sufficient. Okay, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is the general form of your linear equation in two variable. Here you see x and y. Okay, x and y. X and y are two variables. X and y are two variables. Okay, two variables. And you observe that what is the power of variables? The variable power must be 1. Okay, variable power must be 1, and you are seeing that it is equated to something, means you are getting equation. Whenever you are getting this equal symbol, means this left hand side is equated to right hand side, means it is giving some equation. It is called as linear equation. Linear equation means x and y are two variables. In your linear equation, two variables must be there, and the power of variable must be 1, and it is must be in a equation form. Okay, it is must be in equation form. Okay, this is the general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to, that is the general form of your linear equation. This general form must satisfy some condition. Some condition is there whenever you are using this general form. Let's see what this condition is there. Okay, we check it. It must have some condition. Ax plus by plus c, where a comma b and c are real number. Okay, real numbers, and you are having infinite real numbers. Okay, a, b, c are real number, and we have discussed real numbers topic in my previous video. If you miss my real number chapter, just go through it for real number. Okay, where a comma b and c are real number. What is the second condition? It must satisfy a and b should not be 0. Should not be 0. This is the condition it must satisfy. A and b should not be 0. How? Just take an example. Okay, just take an example for your understanding purpose. I am writing. Take ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If we are taking a as 0, b as 0, what you will get? Anything multiplied by 0. Okay, 0x plus 0y plus c equal to 0. So what you will get? Okay. Okay, if you are taking a equal to 0, b equal to 0, let's take c is equal to 5. Okay, what you will get? 5 is equal to 0. Is it correct? You will get a false statement. Okay, you will get false statement. So, we are saying that a and b should not be 0. Any one 0, it's okay, but a and b should not be 0 at the same time. Okay, a and b should not be 0. Okay, you can write a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. What it means? It signifies that both should not be 0. For 1 marks questions for objective types, you will get this. Just listen to my introduction carefully so that you can solve 1 marks in your objective types easily. Okay, take one example. A equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to -6. Substitute this value in your linear equation. What is your linear equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is your a? 2x plus 3y. What is your c? Minus 6 is equal to 0. You can write 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. It is your linear equation in 2 variables. Linear equation in 2 variables. This is. Okay. So, how many solution you will get with 2x plus 3? Means you can take x equal to 0, yeah, x equal to 1. So, how many solution you will get for linear equation? What is your, what do you mean by solution? Means the value of x and the value of y satisfy your equation. Satisfy your equation is called as solution. Is called as solution set. Means the value of x and the value of y satisfy your equation and your right hand side is equal to left hand side. If it satisfies that equation, then you will say that this solution is correct. This solution is correct. Okay, what is the definition of solution? I already said that the values of the variables, mean the value of x and y. What is the x and y? That is your variable. The pair of values of the variables x and y which together satisfy each one of the equation is called the solution for a pair of linear equation. Okay, it must satisfy your equation, means left hand side must be equal to right hand side, means that solution is correct. Let's do some problem. How to find solution for a linear equation? Let's find solution for an equation. Let's take, okay, take when x is equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Okay, what you will get? Whether the value of variable satisfy your equation, just substitute 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. Means this solution is correct. This solution is correct. Okay. This solution, because left hand side is equal to right hand side. Take one more value when x is equal to 3, y equal to 0. Substitute 2 into 3 plus, okay, 3 into 0 is equal to 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. This solution is also correct. Okay. This solution is also, or for better solving, you are using graph to solve this kind of equation. And I will explain you how to draw graph, how to represent your linear equation in graphical method.